Please subscribe and support this channel. You can support by giving a comment or give a like to the video. Thanks. With Teamviewer, you can remotely control and transfer files to and from any computer. Teamviewer is free for all non-commercial users. Go to teamviewer.com and download Teamviewer All-in-One or Teamviewer Host for unattended access. On download page, select the appropriate version for your computer and mobile phone. For your host computer, choose Teamviewer Full Version. The full version can establish connections as wait for incoming connections. Or Teamviewer Host for unattended access to remote computers, optimized for server maintenance or home office access. Install into the host you want to access. For the purpose of this test, you only need the Teamviewer host, or go ahead and install the Teamviewer full version. Now go ahead and download the mobile application, the Teamviewer for remote control. Available in the mobile platforms, Android, iOS and Windows. You can download from the App Store, or download from your mobile device. Now with Teamviewer host installed in your computer, and the app remote control in your mobile device, it is time to test how we can control one computer from a cell phone. First, on the host computer you want to control, go and open Teamviewer. Before we proceed, and to be more understandable, on the left side of the screen is the remote control application, and on the right side is the computer you want to control. A good option is the possibility to make a personal password to access the host computer. Define a personal password turns to be more easy to remember. Now to allow remote control, enter the ID from the host computer into the mobile device. And type the new personal password. If you have a firewall, allow the connection to get through. And you have the remote control of the desired computer. Now you can control your computer remotely from your cell phone. The app enables to control remote computers, as well transferring files to and from remote computers. Teamviewer is ready to use right after downloading. For more information, go to teamviewer.com. If this video was helpful, give us a like, leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and support this channel. You can support by giving a comment or give a like to the video. Thanks.